Hi everybody and welcome to this folding cartoon drawing tutorial. Look at this, surprise! This is a big fat cartoon shark that's going to eat a little fish. And I will show you exactly how to make this drawing. First you take a piece of paper and a graphite pencil. And then you fold this paper into half. Then you fold it a second time. And then you make an overlap like this. So this is your first drawing paper. Now what I do first is I draw in the tip of the nose and the top of the head. And then here I draw in that big fin that's on the back. And then I go over the line, draw in the dorsal fin, and here the tail fin. Then I make some kind of a smiley mouth, but I also draw in a very angry eye. Here's the belly and the side fins, and then I finish up my line towards the tail. Underneath the shark I draw in a nice dark shadow. And because I'm using a graphite pencil, I can rub in easily around the waves and also for the shadow on the shark itself. On the left side I draw in some water plants. Okay, then it's time to open your drawing and then we continue it. First I draw in a very big open mouth. Here you can see the line. I also draw in the cues. Cues are 4 lines with a little bit of shadow, so I rub that in with my finger too. And here I attach the line for the back of the shark, so you get a very big fat cartoon shark. And of course they have a lot of teeth. So I draw in the teeth on the outside of the mouth. Then I draw in the inside of the mouth and I color this in around the teeth. And then I draw in the teeth that are on the outside of the mouth. Like so. In this way you get a lot of 3D perspective. Put in a little bit of extra shadow here, and then it's time to draw in the scared little fish. Now the scared little fish has his mouth wide open. Here you can see the teeth in the mouth. And here is the other eye, and his eyebrows are pointed upwards because he's scared. And here I draw in the fin and the tail. So, now of course you can also color in your drawing if you want. So for instance, for this little fish that's really scared, I've chosen the color yellow. What is also very nice to do is to take a fine liner once you're content with your drawing, and then you go over it. Put in some little Dutch dots on that fish here, some markings, and the shark itself of course gets that dark line too. I draw in the mean eye and I go over the teeth that are on the front side of the mouth, and then I go over the lines of the complete body to make that shark pop out. I also put in the dark line in the wave on the surface of the sea. And there you have it. Here it's all nice, and here it's all scary. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.